come out?
Right here.
You came out right here?
Yeah.
We'll catch up to you guys real quick.
All right.
I'm good to go.
Yeah. We gotta go back by those ponies. You're leading me to a dead end.
Good morning, everyone. We are setting off for our 500 today. What? 500?
Yay.
We're not sure what we're gonna do yet today because it's supposed to thunderstorm.
It's nice out right now, though.
I'm gonna make this quick because there's like a whole group of JROTC students coming through. But we might be doing 12.4 or 15.7. We'll see. Pretty much downhill today.
We're going across the Highlands.
Yeah, the Greyson
We're
Highlands.
going through the Fat Man Squeeze.
Fat Man Squeeze.
So,
See if we can get through. See if I lost enough weight. Let's get going though. 500, baby. Woo!
500. Woo! And
I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more.
It is. not raining yet. And today's being a good day. Leah just got to pet her first pony. She got really scared, but she did it. Yeah. Let's keep it going. This is the Wise shelter in the middle of the Greyson Highlands. Right? So, I didn't want to jinx it, but I feel like we're so close to our campsite now that there was like thunderstorms all around us, and somehow we escaped. Like I was watching the radar and there was just a little sliver opening that we were right in between. So like, we were like seeing the super dark clouds and the rain on top of the mountains, and we never felt a drop today. So we stuck it out and we went to the 15 whatever today, and life is good. We're all set up at our tent. We just had dinner. Leah's in the tent. She doesn't feel well.
I feel fine. I just feel like exhausted. So.
She feels exhausted. We got our fire going again. Holy fuck, we're gonna start a forest fire. Stand by.
Say that on camera.
Alright, no worries. Still good. It doesn't matter. We got a creek right here full of water. Roper's over there taking notes for the day. And Rick is cleaning up his dishes.
We won't be close to Cincinnati ever, will we?
What? We're going to... What? You want to go to Cincinnati?
Somebody asked if I would be close to Cincinnati.
We don't even go into Ohio.
Okay, I'll tell her.
Alright, we got a campfire joke for you today from Roper. Here we go. You ready? Alright.
Alright, y'all. So my question for you is this. If you're an American in the kitchen, what are you when you're in the bathroom? European.
I'm going back to the shelter.